Hello, myself Lata Karkera from MVM Educational Campus. Let me tell you more about the Top Scorer app. We have introduced this Top Scorer app in our school for the smart board, as well as the teachers have downloaded this app in their mobiles, and it enables them to interact with the children in a better way. They are able to do their homework by looking at it and learning more and imparting to the children. And after the lessons, the teacher calls the children for the MCQ test, where it becomes a very interactive class. All the children would love to participate, and once the lesson is over, the teacher can produce a question bank which is inbuilt in this program, and she can generate the question paper according to it and give it for a testing for the children, where she understands the children have understood it better, because the video quality and the concept is very clear. It is very friendly app, very easy to use, and the grammar lessons are excellent. And whenever the teacher is unwell and not able to do her lessons for 3 to 4 days, she can cut short her teaching by showing the videos and by testing the children by using the MCQ test. It is very useful. The parents are very happy about it, and during this COVID-19 lockdown, we would love all the children of every school to download this app, so that they are updated with the lessons for the next academic year. They would be migrating to the next class, so they have all the videos with them. So this time could be utilized properly by seeing and downloading the app, that is Top Scorer, and have a nice time with it. It is very useful. I hope all the parents all across the Maharashtra board or the CBSE board can download this app, and the teachers are looking forward for new lessons or new ideas which are going to be coming in a short time. Thank you.